Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you invite your friends on Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet, and after opening your Bitget Wallet you will get to see this option of more. Just simply tap into more option and then you will get this earn section right here. Just simply tap to earn button, and after that you will get this option of refer to earn. Just simply tap to refer to earn and then it will open this referral center into your Bitget. Now you just simply have to tap into this refer friends option, and after tapping into there you will get this QR code or a link to refer or invite your friends. Now you can directly copy the link by tapping into copy link, or you can send this QR code by tapping into save button. It will save this QR to your gallery and you can send it to your friends. Either way, you have to invite your friends by using either QR code or the link. Just simply send it or spam it. I don't know what you feel comfortable with, just simply do that and invite somebody to your friend list or use Bitget Wallet, and you will also be rewarded. This way you can easily invite friends on Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.